Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Again, welcome back to the Backpack Trading Room. Crude oil inventory report for Wednesday, June the 5th, 2024. Please note the required risk disclosure. This room is for educational and information purposes only, not to be considered individual financial advice. Trading of this type carries substantial risks and should only be attempted with funds you can afford to do without. All right. That's all for the risk disclosures today. Spotlight crude chart, 8-tick range bar, 8-cent momentum bar if you're on TradeStation. Looks like that trade has gone too far. Report coming out in 2 minutes 15 seconds. We'll wait 2 minutes beyond that and start taking trades. Upper left is unleaded, also on Spotlight. That's a 20-tick or 0.002 momentum bar, 20-tick range bar on NinjaTrader. And the lower left is the spot or counterpunch 377 tick chart. And it looks like that has stopped out of its last track trade. I don't see any add-on trades. So we're looking for new setups on all three charts. Don't really want to set up generated by reaction. $7 range today on crude. Certainly not at all large for crude. Thirty seconds to report. $10:30 and reports out. That's what I would call not much reaction. That's a trade off of whatever reaction there was. Another reaction trade to the long side. Still have a minute and a half before we're going to take a trade. I'm kind of looking for almost no reaction at all today to report. The market definitely got busier. There's a new long trade. That triggers in. That's get in sync possibilities. That's actually an add-on trade. 73.82. And we are in the session. We have a buy stop limit. There's a short setup on the 377 tick. Now, calculator's tracking the prior trade, but we're in the add-on. We're not in the add-on. I'm not in the add-on yet. It pushed up and down. Potential stop and reverse. And there's the stop and reverse to long on the 377 tick. And full stop out, reversing to short. Stop and reverse on the, we did trigger into the long. Now we have a stop and reverse short, 64. Let's push back up. And there we go to the short side. There's target one. '73. Let's see, actually should be at 63, and we're out. So we're still down 20 something ticks. I should have been at, I was at 66 rather than 63, so it should be 27 ticks. Looks like we got a target 2 and a partial trailer on 377 tick. We're in a new short on unleaded that did hit target 1. This will be a POQ trade for target 1 traders. Target 2 traders still looking for target. That was money management, so our target 2 is down here. And stopping out, long trade. 516. Looks like 517. Target 1 traders are complete on unleaded. Target 2 traders needing at least another money management trade and positive to get out of the session. $377 tick with a full loss there. Flat on the spotlight crude chart. Long on unleaded. Target 2 traders on unleaded taking a full loss. And there's our, that's get in sync at 44. Triggering in. Third trade of the session, that'll be the end. Unleaded long trade. This will be the last trade of the crude, treating it as a mini session, 3 trades. So short on crude, long on unleaded. One of them's not going to be happy. Loss on the unleaded long trade was 110 ticks. Gain on the short was 523 to 511. 24 ticks. So we're down 86. Target 2 traders. Short trade on 377 tick. It's a filtered long setup. That's a squeeze zone filter. It keeps us out of the stop and reverse. Testing the moving averages. Failing to push up through the 50, 20 and the 50. This may set up a significant down move. We also failed to get to session 5. Failed just a couple of 3 ticks below the session high. Right after the report. At the entry of 40 tick, touching the 44 entry again. Unleaded with a full stop, another full stop out on the long. Crude failing to get below its previous swing low. Actually looks like it's about 3 of that. Yeah, it's got 3 touches of 37. Definitely some support right there. Definitely would be a good sign for the trade if we can make a new low here. New swing low. They're pushing through. Let's see if we can get down. Money management at 73.30. And there is money management and target one. So just one target remaining. Connect that to the trailing stop marker. We're at 43. That was a 16 tick target one. Target two is 26. That would get us positive if we can get there. But we get a stop out, so we end the session down 13 ticks. Pretty ho-hum session. Unleaded in a bit of trouble. I think 377 tick has gotten it done. Questions or comments? Failure to get higher again on Crude. Another long trade on unleaded. That's actually a long trade I think I would probably avoid. You got SMA, the 20 SMA at 455, the entries at 453, 458 to 200 EMA, and you get above that and you're in the squeeze zone. So I'm going to call that a filtered trade. The adjustments would take me up into the squeeze zone. So I would stay out of that one. And unleaded. Well, that was not the right call on that one. That one gets money management. And I would still not be in that trade given where it started. In this particular case, I would have been wrong. Given that setup, in the majority of cases, I suspect that that would have been a good decision. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Unleaded, partial on the long. Now we're in a short. Not much going on, folks. And push downward. Yeah, unleaded picking up at target, another target one, but that's of no use to target two traders. This is trade number 5 on unleaded. There's target 2 and target 3, it looks like. Just 36 tick target 2, not a big trade. Trailing at 473 or 479. $467. Looks like 467 or 468 long entry. 468. Now pushing down again. 458 for the stop. I believe that just stopped out at 58. Yep, it just touched the stop. Final trade. Now the 68 setup is still good. And triggering in at 468. Crude just very range bound today. Unleaded as well. much going on. Still just kind of stuck. And third full stop out for unleaded to finish that session. Good morning, Dawson. I'm about to wrap it up this morning. That ends the unleaded. Spotlight crude is done, and I'm pretty sure that 376, 377 tick counterpunch is. I go back and look at what happened. 1030. Yep. Yeah. That short trade just ticked in. Stopped and reversed. That was a full stop out. It's transitioning to short. Money management, partial win. And at 72. Uh-oh. So 83. 22 tick loss. And then the risk on that was 12 plus 2, 14, so another 28. That's 50, down 50. We'll pick up 69, 62, 714. So down 36. Trigger into the short. That takes a full loss. It triggers into a long. That's a full loss. 1, 2, 3, 4, Yeah, we're done with the session. That's already 6 trades. So, difficult session on the 377 as well. So, difficult session all around on crude oil inventory report today. Sure. What's your question, Dawson? I'm done with these charts. So I'll definitely be happy to answer questions. Looks like I lost Dawson. All right. Well, I'd like to answer that question, but not getting the question. So we will call it a day, and we will see everybody tomorrow morning, 9:30. Everybody have a good one. See you tomorrow at 9:30. I'll be happy to answer that question tomorrow, Dawson, if you want to come back in.